the creamiest, dreamiest fettuccine Alfredo. Let me show you how to make it. I'm gonna start with 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. I sliced thinly, so I got 6 pieces of chicken breast out of 3 pieces. And this will be enough for 4 to 6 people depending on their appetite. I season with salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, paprika, Italian seasoning and some garlic. Add olive oil and mix the whole thing. Massage all the ingredients and all the spices. Leave the chicken on the countertop to come to room temperature about half an hour. And as always, I like to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients written in the description box below, so check it out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cook a whole package of fettuccine pasta. I let the water come to a boil, add a very generous amount of salt, let the pasta cook to al dente. To a hot skillet, I add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter. I cook the chicken breast 3 at a time. I don't want to overcrowd the pan. 5 minutes on each side. It's gonna cook quickly because the chicken is not too thick. I remove from the pan. Keep all the pan drippings, it's all flavor. Of course, I cooked the chicken in batches. Now I'm gonna add 40 grams of butter, unsalted, let it melt, and then add 3 smashed cloves of garlic on top of the butter. 10 seconds, I don't want the garlic to burn. Now I add 3 cups of cream. Heavy cream is what we're using today. This sauce is gonna become all flavor. I'm gonna let it simmer for 10 minutes. It's gonna become thicker. It's gonna coat the spoon nicely. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so. Follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. Meanwhile, I'm gonna grate a very healthy amount of Parmesan cheese. Set it aside. The sauce is ready. It's been 10 minutes. It's coating the spoon very nicely. I'm gonna add 14 ounces of the pasta and you can see it's cooked to perfection. It's not overly cooked. That's why we call it al dente. Turn the heat off and now it's time to add the Parmesan cheese and mix very, very well. I add a generous amount of Parmesan. Taste and adjust the salt and black pepper, but you don't want to add too much salt because the Parmesan is salty. All that's left now is to slice the chicken into thin slices. It's been resting for half an hour. I can slice it now just like so. And really you can mix it with the pasta, but I like to serve on top of the pasta. I don't like to mix it in. All that's left now is to serve and garnish. I like to garnish with some basil, top with some Parmesan and the grilled chicken. Serve and enjoy. This was creamy, heavenly and delicious. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!